Judy, will you be my Valentine?
Oh, Carl, this is so sweet.
Thanks. I sprayed it with my dad's cologne. It's called Bunyan Be Gone.
Carl, Mr. Neutron and I... See, sometimes people like to have private time. Just the two of them.
Gotcha. How do we get rid of the dead wood?
Oh, well, you know what they say. It's all fun and games until a monkey bites you on the eye.
Oh, honey.
I'll meet you tonight at the playground.